doing? Dan down here to Wilkins. We are starting another 131 build here on this 2020. I just did some base runs to get some base numbers so we can see what the gain is going to be. Now we'll unload it, load it on the lift, and start tearing it apart and inspecting and building it back up to a 131.
We wound up with 131 horsepower and 139 torque out of this bad Larry.
That sounds good.
That nice lopiness of the cam and such, and the exhaust paired well.